G'day all, here is my BL1K steam engine plant. Now since I've had this, I've done some modifications to it. This is a steam condenser that I put on, and I've done a little mod here to the forward and reverse lever, and I have also made that drive pulley, this two-step drive pulley, and hob that. And recently, in the last video, I have added that steam whistle, which is very nice. And in the last couple of days, I've routed this timber plinth, which I think looks absolutely fantastic for the BL1K. It looks really nice. It's mounted on some chromed brass risers with some brass screws. I think that just looks absolutely fantastic. Now, I have got another accessory. This is a generator that goes on it. Now, the generator is meant to go here on the front, and I have got the two-step pulley on here. So what I'm going to do is take the two-step pulley off. I'm going to put this flywheel on the back, and I'm going to mount the generator here on the front. Now, without further ado, with the magic of video, and there we have it. Instantly, the generator that encompasses the light is already connected up, and I've moved that flywheel from the front to the back and taken off the two-step one. Now, it comes with these two little positive and negative wires and that little plug there. Now that plug goes in here, and I have seen people charging their mobile phone off that and a few other things. So that's going to be something very interesting to investigate down the track. But look, let's give it a test on air and see if that light comes on. So I'll just hold that on there, and we'll give it a bit of air. That's my hand slipping, so I'll just hold that a little bit tighter. That's it. We'll turn that on again. Okay, that's working fine. That will be pretty interesting to see if I can get a mobile phone. I think I've got an old charger somewhere that I can cut one of the plugs off and connect it up, and it'd be interesting to see on Steam if that little Jenny in there would be enough to recharge a phone or get something else going. But that's going to be fun. So there we are. The BL1K steam engine plant. It's now got the light and the generator on the front. It's got the steam condenser. It's got the little mod to the forward reverse lever. It's on a timber plinth, and it's got a steam whistle. And I really like this plant. I really like this plant. I'm amazed how many hours I've spent on this now, enjoying this. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.